What is that? That's a plane flying a MyFBCMS banner behind it. Wow, talk about good advertising. We must be getting around. What? Oh, hey, welcome back to another MyFBCMS tutorial. In our last tutorial, we covered how to add new pages and assign them to menu items. And we vaguely covered how to add new menu items after adding new pages. In this tutorial, we're going to go a little bit more in depth about rearranging your menu items and sub-menu items. So anyway, forgive me for the intro there. There was a plane actually flying a MyFBCMS banner behind it. You know, talk about good advertising. No, not really. That's a little bit of a white lie. So anyway, just trying to see if you're on your toes. So let's get started. We vaguely covered the page manager with the menu items. So click your content drop down and click on page manager. And if you noticed at first glance that our page manager has all of our menu items in their corresponding order. So if you look at our top menu, you see home, help videos, the sub menu of the help videos, about, contact, and a great page, which was the page we created in our last tutorial. And as you can see, here are all of our menu items in our page manager. So how do you rearrange your menu items? Well, MyFBCMS makes it very simple. It's a simple drag and drop type system. So what you want to do, if you want to move a menu item, select the menu item that you want to move. In this example, we're going to choose the child page, which is a sub-menu under the Help Videos menu item. Click on that page. We'll click down and hold the left mouse button and drag it to an empty available space to where we want it. So in this case, we're going to remove the sub-menu from the Help Videos menu item and create a top-level menu item. And as you can see, MyFBCMS immediately recognizes the change and generates the menu item in the main menu. Now, what if we wanted to rearrange this same menu item somewhere else? It's just as simple as clicking, holding down the left mouse button, and dragging it to an empty space to wherever you want. And in this case, I'm going to put it right behind or below a great page. And as you can see, MyFBCMS immediately puts it in the place that we assigned it. Now, if you want to take the child page menu item and assign it to be a sub-menu for a top-level menu item, just drag and drop it to whatever menu that you want it to be a sub-menu for. So in this case, just pull the child page under the menu item and pull it to the right just a little bit, and as you can see, an empty space appears right aligned, letting you know that it will become a sub-menu item for the About menu item. And how you know this is there's a minus sign next to the About page. So we can click on this and collapse that particular menu item, which lets us know, hey, there's a sub-menu item that's under the About menu item page. You can also verify this by looking at your main menu at the top and hovering your mouse over the About menu item, and you see the sub-menu item that we've just assigned to the About page. I hope you followed that. So it's just as simple as dragging and dropping your menus to arrange them how you want them. So I'm going to go ahead, just for demonstration purpose, I'm going to go ahead and put that as a submenu back under the help videos. Now that we know how to rearrange or arrange menu and submenu items, let's talk about removing and deleting them. Now let's say we want to delete this submenu item from the main menu altogether, or from the help videos menu item. To do that, make sure it's selected and click on remove from menu. Now when you do this, this means that it will be removed from site and it will not be accessible. It doesn't mean that it will be deleted completely. That way you can go back and assign the page later if you like. So let's go ahead and do that now. We'll remove from menu. We have to confirm that that's what we want to do, so click OK. And immediately the sub menu or the child page has been removed from the main menu altogether, or the page manager. Now if you want to delete a menu, it's just as simple. Select the menu that you want to delete and simply click the delete button. Now when you delete a menu item, it deletes it completely, and you can't bring that particular menu item back unless you recreate it. But the page will still exist, so you can still assign the page that was assigned to a particular menu item that you deleted to a newly created menu item. let's go ahead and restore or bring back the child page, which was a submenu item for the help videos. To do that, you want to click on the menu item that you either want it to be a submenu for, or where you want to put the menu before or after the particular menu item that you've selected. To do that, go down to Insert into Menu, and you can choose whether to insert the new menu item or recover the new menu item before or after, or instantly make it a sub-menu or a child menu of the particular menu item that you have selected. I hope you're following this. Let me give you a demonstration. Select the menu item that you want for your anchor, click Insert Child or Submenu. Now, we're not going to create a new page. We're just going to look for the available page that was assigned to the child page. In our case, it was simply called Child Page. So we'll select this page and click Insert into Menu. Now, instantly, MyFBCMS generates the menu item as a submenu under Help Videos, and it will now have that particular page linked to that menu item. I hope that you followed how to rearrange your menu items in the page manager, and play with it, get used to it, get familiar. It's really that simple. Drag and drop, add and remove. That concludes this tutorial. Remember to view our next tutorial where I'll go over how to assign themes to your fan page and change the layout and default layouts of each theme, giving it a unique look and layout. See you in the next video.